This is our last day talking about Instagram and how we can use it as artists in our favor. There are 4 apps that I want to talk to you about that you can integrate with Instagram, and you can get really great results in terms of creating more customers or increasing the quality of your content. I had talked about Insta Bio before, but very briefly, a little bit more information today. You can connect multiple links in one with Insta Bio. If you pay a monthly fee, you can see the analytics too. You can see how many people visited your link in the last 7 days or 30 days, and what were the links they clicked most. Which cities, which countries they came from. So this will help you to understand your demographics too. One other thing that I like about Insta Bio, there are many different templates, and also not only you can use a list of the links, but you can also create one small landing page. You can even create forms. The second app I want to talk to you about is mostly about also YouTubers. If you're an artist who has a YouTube account, or you are selling your art in a different app, then using link twin will help you, because let's say you have a YouTube video link, and you share it in your stories, and people click on that link in the story to watch your video. When they want to comment or like, or if they want to subscribe, then it suddenly asks them to sign in. And a lot of people don't remember their username or password, or both. What link twin does is to open that link in the related application. YouTube link will be open in the YouTube app on that phone. Same thing could be, for example, with Amazon. If you have an Amazon link for your art piece or your merch, then if you put it in link twin, what happens that when people click, they should be open it in the related app. This will definitely prevent losing some potential customers. The third one I want to talk about is Snapseed. As artists, you realize that the photos you're taking of your artwork doesn't reflect the reality sometimes. Because of the light, because of, the angle, it doesn't look as good. So Snapseed might help you to achieve that good look without worrying about the light or the angle. The last one I want to talk to you about is CapCut. CapCut is a video editor, and it's so easy to use. It's very user-friendly. That's why people usually edit their videos there and then come back to Instagram and share as Reels. Today, I want you to download at least one of them if you are interested in using them, and try to see how they will work for your art business. Just play around and see what you can do with that app. I'll see you tomorrow in our next video of our 30-day challenge.